All right, so it is 1 week later, school boys, after B52. Just had a crisis happen. The beater went batshit crazy again, wouldn't start, just like we went to Martin. I don't know, something fucked up with my electrical system, but it wouldn't start. So I was freaking out for a second. I had everything loaded up. My bike is finally holding oil. If you guys didn't know, it's had an oil leak for a while through the drain bolt because I fucked it up. But now I got it to seal. And I'm happy. The pitter's doing good. I got the part to fix the pitter. The pitter's looking good. 250's looking good, hopefully. Don't want to jinx myself anymore. But the beater is acting like an absolute bitch. And so she finally just acted right, and now we're cruising on our way to Connie's. About to go ride. The whole crew, well, minus Dean, Brandon, Jake, and all them aren't coming, but Wyatt's coming, Isaiah's coming, Filoni's coming, Caleb Ellis is coming. All the boys are showing up to Connie's to ride because the first nice day of the year. It's 35 up with the sun. It feels amazing, and we're all ready to rip. So pulled up, everyone's already geared up. I just got here, I'm late, forgot my GoPro. Isaiah's being a little bitch and wants to ride the pit bike, even though it's a piece of shit.
It's not a piece of shit, I love it.
Not like the SSR was.
That's way better than that thing.
No, fuck the SSR. Shit, of course Nick Hunt has to be here to show us all who's fast. Dude, God damn it. That's not the first time he's done that. Fuck, I hate when he's here because he's always fast.
Makes you feel like shit, don't it?
Yeah, it makes me feel like shit. 450. Your what?
My arm hurts so bad.
Arm pump?
Yeah, so I gotta switch another arm pump right now.
How's the track? Perfect. I'm jealous. Broken. Alright, now we're behind Tanner and Isaiah. I literally just did a lap around the pitch. I'm still pumped up as fuck. Killed it. He killed it.
You can ride it if you want, dude. The thing feels It's got like a
How is it, Dylan? How's the 450?
bike review on the Yamaha 450. I'll never buy one.
Never buy
And
one.
this will be the only one I ever ride. Enjoy kicking. It's not the bike, it's me. As they all say. I take my old shitty Honda over this thing every day.
I say I can't even get it going.
It's weird, isn't it? I don't know how to ride it.
This looks like Ken Roxon.
Yeah. Oh, Kenny.
There we go.
Cased it. Oh. Oh shit. Dylan out here making moves. See if he hits rev limiter. No, close.
Alright, Filoni on the day. Rough day. Rough first day of the year. I'm tired. Yeah, right? Wyatt luckily is out here filming, getting the shots on the broken ankle. Savage shit. We're gonna catch up with Isaiah and fucking Tanner, see what they guys say. Boy, yes. Whose Ranger is this? You bought it?
Yeah.
Dude, I want this thing. I'm pissed you bought a Ranger before I did. And that's a nice Ranger. Hey man, it's the way she rolls sometimes. I'd rather borrow a bike than a truck though. Oh, it looks good. Oh man, savagery. How we feel, Isaiah?
Do what?
How we feel?
Oh, dude. I feel like $1 million.
I know.
It's tight, but first ride out for the season. Long way to go.
I could throw down some fast lap times in these crutches, I swear.
Yeah.
Wyatt is the real. What the hell is
The real MVP.
Real MVP. Fucking cameraman Wyatt. We have to come up with a new nickname for Wyatt now.
Yeah,
And
cameraman Wyatt.
Wyatt just doesn't roll right.
Film guy Wyatt.
Film guy Wyatt.
Film guy Y. Film guy Y.
Film guy Wyatt. Why the film guy?
Yeah, there we
I'm
go.
hoping to not have be the film guy here in about a month, but
That would be ideal. Would be ideal. Alright.
He's finally healed.
no, it's feeling good today. I did ride on it for 3 hours last week, so.
Yeah, right?
On my tattoo, I said it finally healed.
Oh yeah, shit.
Oh,
Fuck.
I'm sweating that sound.
Alright, Siggy cart. Where's it gonna fly at? Oh, there's one left. Where's it gonna go to? Where's it gonna fling it at? Alright, fling that fucker. Damn it. Hey, it worked pretty good though. That worked pretty good though.
We gotta get a beer can. It's gonna be heavy.
Yeah.
Dude, I got 2 free cigarette packets.
Hell yes. We got, well, I was saying Supercross race, but the Supercross race is on. What? I was told they weren't making any more of that show. God damn, it's Magnum PI.
Are you gonna drink this?
We got pussy. We got broken boy back in action. Spoolboys tube. It's the office. Spoolboys tube. Spoolboys. Nick.
Hold that. I'll be back.
That was racist.
I was with the 8-ball on. Oh, yeah, here it is.
Get a sip, get a sip.
That's a nice beer.
Nice. Alright.
It's not a picture, it's a video.
I can take pictures though.
Oh shit, I forgot you can.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a
Nice
fucking-
shot. Oh!
That's my ball, you dick.
Dirty.
God damn it, Isaiah. Was that Cody? That was Cody.
I'm taking her to do not.
Oh, shit.
Down to where I know where to aim.
Alright, good idea. Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
Oh my, oh! The helmet. Bro, she's never gonna be safe now. She definitely conclusion.
Thank God, cool.
So now.
You're we solid.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh! Oh!
Dude, that's the tweaker I saw. Here, Dylan. Dude, that's the one I seen. With what the dude? What the?
Fuck. Can't find
Look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
Can't find another cigarette.